Hello friends, welcome again to our YouTube channel Backbenchers, a path of learning. Hope you enjoyed our previous video. Thanks to all of you for being with us. Asian Paints to make hand sanitizer. Asian Paints, India's largest paint maker, announced on 1st May 2020 that it will start making hand and surface sanitizer under Viroprotec brand. CRRI developed Kishan Shava app to connect farmers. The Kishan Shava application was launched by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research and Central Road Research Institute on 1st May 2020 to connect farmers to supply chain and freight transportation management systems. The Kishan Shava application aims to provide the most economical and timely logistics support to the farmers, and it will provide the best market rates of crops by comparing the nearest mandis, booking freight vehicles at the cheapest cost, thereby giving maximum benefit to the farmers. Lockdown extended for 2 more weeks. Ministry of Home Affairs has ordered extension of national lockdown by 2 more weeks from 4th May until 17th May 2020 to curb the spread of COVID-19 disease. The Ministry of Home Affairs issued the lockdown extension order under the Disaster Management Act 2005. The Ministry of Home Affairs has issued new guidelines to regulate different activities during this period based on demarcation of different districts into red, orange and green zones. Tarun Bajaj appointed as Economic Affairs Secretary. Tarun Bajaj appointed as the new Economic Affairs Secretary on May 1st, 2020. Tarun Bajaj is a 1988 batch IS officer. He was previously serving as the Additional Secretary in Prime Minister's Office. Jharkhand becomes first state to bring back its migrant workers by train. Jharkhand has become the first state to bring back its migrant laborers through train from Telangana. The special train was deployed between Telangana's Ligampolli railway station and Ranchi's Hatia railway station on request of the state government. Ajay Tirke assumes charge as Secretary of WCD Ministry. Ajay Tirke has assumed charge as the Secretary in the Ministry of Women and Child Development. He is a 1987 batch IS officer from Madhya Pradesh cadre. He was earlier serving as the Special Secretary and Additional Secretary in the ministry. He has previously worked as the Joint Secretary in the Department of School Education and Literacy in the Ministry of Human Resource Development, and he has also served as the Director and Joint Secretary from 2004 to 2009 in the Ministry of Defence. Legendary footballer Chuni Goswami passes away. Legendary Indian footballer Chuni Goswami, who had captained the 1962 Asian Games gold-winning team, passes away on April 30, 2020 after suffering from a cardiac arrest. Chuni Goswami, who had also played first-class cricket for Bengal, played 50 matches for India as a footballer from 1956 to 1964. China has launched the digital currency. China launched his digital currency, becoming the first nation to do so. The digital currency, known as the eRMB, electronic renminbi, would be used for paying the April month salaries to some government employees and public servants. Directs to include Chagma and Hajong in COVID-19 relief program. On May 1st, 2020, the Ministry of Development of the Northeastern region directed Arunachal Pradesh government to include Hajong and Chagma communities. Kashmir saffron receives GI tag. The saffron cultivated in the Kashmir Valley has received geographical indication tag. The saffron cultivated in Kashmir is long, thick and has natural deep red color. Also, it has high aroma and is processed without adding any chemicals.
You